Was it worth $5? Hey, I just got the new Walmart beauty box. I thought I'd open it for you and check out all the stuff that's inside. I'm not that excited about it this time because it just kind of been a letdown for the last few times I got it, but I thought I'd give it a look-see anyway. I forgot to cancel. Ooh. There is a 5-blade Equate razor for women. That's kind of cool, actually. It actually also has a extra blade on the inside and a hanger for the shower. Ooh, that's not bad. Not bad at all. I like it. Also, full-size Degree Motion Sense Ultra Clear Black and White deodorant. They always send a deodorant, so I have like a lot, but they don't send full-size ones usually, so that's cool. Purifying Brightening Peeling Gel. Peeling gel. It's got vitamin C and E, clarifying, blah blah blah. I wonder if it's got anything like an active ingredient or something. We'll have to look into that, not sure. But it looks semi-fancy. Got this Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion. I like Aveeno, and you could always bring one of these with you in your purse when you're on the go. Also, there is this brand that they've given me before. It's Village Naturals Therapy. Last time it was salts, baths of salts. Now it's bath oil and body wash in 2 different scents. It is one is for muscle relief and the other one is for nighttime relief, which is kind of cool. I like stuff with essential oils. And there is La Bella Super Shine Serum, avocado oil and aloe, and face and body oil. So oils. Nice, and that was it. Considering that it has a razor with an extra blade and a shower holder thingy, it's not a bad deal. 1 razor, 2 cartridges. Sweet. I already have a razor, but I'll give this one a pop. See if it's any better than my Venus one. Alright, well, you know what, for $5, that's not a bad deal. I think like it's a deodorant and the razor in itself are like 2 kind of big things, and the moisturizer and some of the testers. I'm happy. You know what? This time you excited me a little bit, Walmart. I have low expectations and now I'm pleased. So thumbs up for this.